Okay, one more time. When I say complex, what's a complex number again? Every number ever. So imaginary, irrational, doesn't matter. All numbers are complex numbers. So if I was going to solve this, okay, then I would minus 1 on both sides, right? X equals 4. What's the highest exponent in this equation I just came up with? 1. And how many answers did it have? 1, okay? Now let's look at this one. I need to get rid of everything but the square first. That's what we just learned. So what would I do first? Add the 4. So then x squared equals 4. And then I square root. What's the square root of 4?
2.
And good. What was the highest exponent of this one?
2.
2. How many answers did it have? 2. This is called the fundamental theorem of algebra. Okay, a polynomial of nth degree has n complex solutions. Nth degree meaning, like the degree, remember, is the highest exponent. So what this means is that if my polynomial, which is all these things that we're dealing with, has a degree 3, it would have 3 solutions. If it's degree 2, it'd have 2 solutions. Degree 1, have 1 solution. Okay? So it has n, so if I have a second degree polynomial, I'd have 2 complex solutions. That's okay. N is just the number. This is just the general way to write it, okay? So what is the degree of each equation below? Take a look. What's the degree of every equation below? 2. Okay. And so how many complex solutions should each one have? 2. Okay. All right. We're going to do like a couple more, and then we'll do 1 or 2 more together, and then I'm going to have you guys answer these, and then we're done. Okay? So how about, I'll do the evens with you, and then you can try the odds. So what's the first step on number 2? Minus 4. Because you have to do the opposite. You have to do the opposite. Then maybe we're chatting when I said I'll do the evens with you. So let's do number 2.
Wait, you should do number 2. Makila asked me questions.
Okay. Now what? Square root. What's the square root of negative 4? Oh, I'm hearing some different things. 2i. There you go. Look, there's my 2 complex solutions. Okay. Yeah, Kevin. No, you don't have to. No. Okay, what's the first step on number 4? Plus the 49. X squared equals 81. Good. Then square root. What's the square root of 81? It's not 9i? I don't know. Oh, Summers, idiot, Miss Summers. Duh. My bad. Okay, what's next?
Why wouldn't you square root that again?
Why wouldn't I square root?
Why wouldn't you factor it?
You can, but 81's a perfect square. So even if I factored that, I'd end up with 9 in the end anyway. Okay? Okay, number 6, what do I do first? Minus 25. Wait for it. Hold on. So I minus the 25. And then, Michaela, what do you think is next? Yep. Divide by negative 1. So then x squared equals 25. Then I can square root, and x equals 5 and negative 5. I want you to work with your group neighbors to try 1, 3, and 5, and then we're done. As soon as we go over the answer to those, we're done.